Mercedes-Benz W202 is the internal designation for a compact sedan, just saloon manufactured and marketed by Mercedes-Benz between 1992-2001 as the first generation of the C-Class, now in its fifth generation. Replacing the 190 series W201 in June 1993, the C-Class sedan was Mercedes' entry-level model until 1997, when the company launched the A-Class. Production reached 1,147 on 382 over model years 1994-2000. Models covered C180 Saloon and Estate, C200 Saloon and Estate, C220 Saloon and Estate, C230 Kompressor Saloon and Estate, C240 Saloon and Estate, C280 Saloon and Estate, AMG C36 Saloon, AMG C43 Saloon, C220 220 CDI Diesel Saloon and Estate, C250 Diesel Turbodiesel Saloon and Estate. Four-cylinder diesel models were equipped with the same OM601 engine of the 190 in the 2.0L. Many of these diesel variants were sold as taxis due to their low fuel consumption and strong reliability. There were also more powerful OM605 five-cylinder engines, which were available in naturally aspirated and turbocharged forms. The turbodiesel was introduced in 1995 and is one of the novelties in the engine range available from this year. The most important was a supercharged version of the M111 Straight 4, the C230 Kompressor, using a Roots-type supercharger to generate 193 PS at 5,300 RPM. Mercedes-Benz reused supercharger technology after 50 years. Due to the tax law in Italy and Portugal, models in those countries featured a supercharged version of the smaller 2.0 Li, which had a similar output of the C230 compressor. The 1997 diesel models featured the OM611, equipped with a common rail direct injection system. The new model was named C220 CDI and had an improved output of 30 PS compared with the C220 diesel, better fuel average and lower emissions. Also, the inline-six engines were replaced by a family of V6, the M112. The new engines featured SOHC heads instead of the previous DOHC, 3 valves per cylinder instead of 4, and twin spark plugs. The 4-cylinder C230 was replaced by the C240, and the i6 C280 by the V6 C280. These changes reduced emissions and improved fuel consumption without sacrificing power. In the last 4 years of production, the W202 received a few changes in the choices of engine. In 1998, a less powerful version of the 2.2L turbo diesel was added, called C200 CDI, which replaced the C220 diesel. In 2000, the C200 compressor's output was cut to 163 PS. The C240 displacement was enlarged from 2.4L to 2.6L, but output remained at 170 PS, and the C180 got a 2.0L engine. The original W202 came standard in Germany with a 5-speed manual and 4-speed automatic transmissions optional. In the United States, automatic transmission was standard, with manual available as a delete option. The 4-speed automatic was the 722.4 version of the 4G Tronic. In 1996, this old transmission, released in 1981, was replaced by a 5-speed automatic, the 722.6 or 5G Tronic, which received a manual shift mode in 1999. In 2000, with the T model only remaining on sale, the RWD C240 was available with the optional 6-speed G56 manual from the W203. In 1995, the C-Class received its first genuine performance model, the C36 AMG, to counter the new 6-cylinder BMW M3. The C36 AMG accelerates to 60 mph from a stop in 5.8 seconds, and top speed was electronically limited to 250 km/h. Unlimited top speed was recorded at 272 km/h. Only a total of 5,200 C36 AMGs were produced. In late 1997, AMG released a new flagship for the C-Class, the C43 AMG, powered by a 4.3L V8. The C43 AMG can achieve a 0-100 km/h time in 5.7 seconds for the saloon version and 5.9 seconds for the estate. The C43 was the first C-Class to be equipped with a Mercedes-Benz V8 engine.